Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Lightning, updated. Click the app launcher, search, and open the app you want to work in right away. Customize your navigation bar by pinning frequently used apps and pages. Use the Lightning app builder to drag components into record pages and save layouts so your team sees the same clean view every time. Open a record and explore the activity timeline to see tasks, emails, and calls in one neat place. Configure Path to show key stages and guidance for each opportunity or lead. Build custom list views with filters and sort options so you can quickly act on high-priority records without digging through clutter. Start by automating small repetitive tasks with Process Builder to send notifications or update fields automatically. Use Flow Builder for interactive, multi-step processes that may require user input or approvals. Combine these automations with assignment rules to route leads and cases to the correct owner, reducing manual handoffs and speeding up response times in your team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.